likes it. Make we're going to slice 5. We're going to make a lemon juice with honey. Hmm?
Yeah. Ah.
Okay.
Ah.
Sama na.
Arm.
Sorry. We will add more. One more.
My tracks. Here.
Put this one in the
Mom.
glass. 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of lemon. And then we will put some honey.
Honey.
Subi honey.
Honey.
This is good for
You.
Isibo's throat. How many tablespoons of honey? We will add 1.5 tablespoon. This is rich in vitamin C and good for we'll add some water.
Butter.
Wow. This is natural treatment for colds and cough. And Isibo will drink this one. Yeah? Okay, this is our lemon with honey. Okay, Isibo will drink this one. Wow, yummy! My son is drinking lemon with honey. Pure lemon and Subi honey. Is it yummy? Yummy? Huh? Is it yummy? Perfect? Good? Okay? Yes? Yes, Isibo? Say yes. Okay. Wow. All done. Finish. He likes it. We will make one for Ate Kate. I will make one for Ate. Yes, bye-bye. Bye now. Bye-bye. Say, thank you, Mommy. Oh, you're welcome.